I am Dr. Balakrishnan from Chennai, plastics and hand surgeon. Today I am speaking from Ramaya Advanced Medical Center, where they have the very good facility. Right? I know it. I have been here for 3 times. Excellent place for cadaver dissection and teach youngsters. Today we are having the Brachial Plexus cadaver workshop, organized by none other than my dear close colleague Dr. Bharat Kadadi. And this workshop, for me, I think I was really happy to note that more than 60 fellows have registered, and we are faculty of 6 or 7 has come from different parts of the country. The whole idea is to, yesterday we had a series of talk about the brachial plexus, different aspects, and today we are going to show them various dissections right from the neck, arm, and we're going to show them the dissection of the main nerves, infraclavicular dissection, and also the arm dissection where we do the nerve transfers. All the procedures involved in the brachial plexus reconstruction is shown here. It is an important day for the youngsters who are assembled here to note, first time probably most of them seeing the dissection of the brachial plexus, and it will go a long way for them to go and use this to their practice. And it has been well organized by Dr. Bharat Kadadi and his team, and also the Global Health Academy has helped them to bring it to the best possible position, and I wish them all the best. Thank you.